So you got your online store up and running and started receiving volume of orders on your store. Great thing indeed. Now all you have to do is start delivering orders, collect money, look up in the sky and hope to become the next Flipkart. Easy peasy Japanesey. But in this entire process, store owners forget the important aspect of managing orders, which seems like a cup of coffee in the first hands, only to realize later that poor order management can even lead to loss of sales. So in this tutorial, we are going to tell you how to manage your orders on the Zeppo dashboard. To manage your orders, click on Orders here. Once you click on it, you would get a list of orders that you have got on your store in this table. If you check out the column headings of the table, then you would notice that there is a filter by the side of payment. Using this filter, you can filter products on the basis of their payment type. So if I click on bank deposit here, I would get the list of orders whose payments have been made through a bank deposit. And similarly, when I click on COD, I get the list of orders whose payment mode was COD. And similarly, using this filter, you could get the list of all other payment modes. You can also sort your orders on the basis of dates. Say if you want the latest orders first in the list and oldest later, or vice versa, you can conveniently do so here. To the right of the table, there are action buttons, each having their own important functionality. We would go through each one of them one by one. Here, you can preview your order. You also have the facility to message your customers or add notes if there is anything that you want to add. Second button is print the invoice of the order. You can print the invoice directly or you can do so after changing the invoice number. Third is to cancel your order. Fourth is to mark your orders as dispatched. You can mark it as dispatched with or without the dispatch details all through a single click. Finally, you can even schedule your pickup using Z-Post without checking into a separate dashboard. For how to schedule a pickup, please check our next video. Let's understand the dispatched orders table now. Similar to as we saw in received orders, you can sort your dispatched orders here on the basis of their order dates and dispatch dates. Here you can also have the option to track your order directly. You also have Actions button here. The first button is to preview your order. Second is to print your invoice, and just as in the received orders, you can print it with or without changing the invoice number. Third is to cancel your order. You have the option to cancel your order with or without informing the customer. And the last button is to mark your order as delivered. Looking at delivered orders section. Here you get the list of orders that have been delivered to your customer. And it is almost similar as the last one. So we would move ahead and check out what else do we have in orders management. Next is cancelled orders. Here you get the list of orders which have been cancelled by you or your customer at some stage. But here you can also know the exact stage when the order was cancelled. You can also preview or delete the order here if you wish. The abandoned order section lets you see all the carts that the customer have abandoned on the store. You can download this information if you would like to remarket to them. And finally, if you have used enquiry only for products on your store, you can see the enquired orders under this section. So that's all about manage orders on Zeppo's platform. If you still have any queries or even residual doubts, please do reach out to us at support@zeppo.in, or you can give us a call at 0922 358 3358.